Woman refuses to leave hotel, doesn't end the way she expected.
On August 11th, 2025, officers were dispatched to the Doubletree Hotel after a guest refused to leave the establishment.
How can I help you, sir?
Oh, there's a lady there. She first came in asking if the lobby is open. My L'Oreal said, only if you're a guest here, do you have a room? She said yes. And then she went over there. And then I went over and said, you cannot sleep here. She said she's not sleeping, and she said she's waiting for someone.
You want a criminal trespass from the business?
Yeah.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Hey!
Hey, police department, how you doing?
I'm great. How you doing?
Hey there. Do you have a room here?
No, not yet.
Don't have a. So you have it booked anything?
Yeah, I booked one last night.
You booked one last night?
Yeah.
Do you have something showing
Just check the system. It should be in the system.
Okay, no ma'am. You have something showing a reservation and stuff like that?
No.
Okay, so you haven't booked the room yet?
I'm finna to.
Okay, they want you to leave the hotel. You have the ID with you because you're gonna have to be. They want you criminal trespass from the hotel. Okay, so you're not gonna be allowed back on the property.
Why?
It's at their discretion. Okay.
Why?
They want you CT from the property.
Why?
It's at their discretion.
It's at their discretion?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, mine too.
You have an ID with you, ma'am, so I can document my interaction with you. Okay. What's your first name, ma'am?
You gonna give me a chance to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm giving you an opportunity.
I know.
Okay.
Okay.
What is it?
When I get ready.
Okay. All right, listen here. I'm not gonna play these games with you, okay?
Right.
The next step you're gonna be going with me, okay? I'm giving you law for it. I need your name, ma'am.
No, next step I'm going. You crazy.
Okay, ma'am, I need your information.
Let me submit y'all.
Spell that for me. Spell it for me. Spell your first name for me, ma'am.
When I get ready.
Ma'am, now you're obstructing my investigation. Okay, I'm gonna give you the last opportunity.
L-E-M-E-S-H-I-M-I-C-H-E-L-L.
You have to slow down for me, ma'am.
I thought you wanted me to speed it up.
Okay.
L-E-M-E-S-H-I-M-I-C-H-E-L-L. Let me Mitchell.
Miss Mitchell, what's your date of birth?
080297. 080297.
0802-1997. You have a middle name, Miss
No.
Miss Mitchell?
Oh no.
Miss Mitchell, what's your current address, ma'am?
Oh, I don't have. Why?
You homeless?
Why?
Just for documentation.
Hold it down. Hold on, real quick. I'm not homeless. Wait there. Do I look homeless?
No, I'm just asking.
If I'm judging by the looks of it, it does look like you're actually indeed homeless. And I'm surprised that the officer is playing these games with her as far as her saying her name really fast so the officer can't catch it to write it down, and saying her date of birth really fast and all of. Listen, if I'm the officer, I'm not playing these games. You're going to slow it down so I can get all the information properly, and that's that. If not, we just going to hook you up because you being loud, you know what I mean? All types of stuff. Trespass you, yeah, and we'll just send you on down to the county, man.
Why you say why?
Information for your report.
Why?
For the report.
Why? It's not no reports.
Okay.
I'm the one having the real reports.
All right.
Yeah, all right. Report. Tell.
Okay. You're not free to go yet.
Oh.
Go to have a seat.
I'm too free to go.
No, ma'am, have a seat. You're not free to go yet.
Okay. Okay. I heard you. I heard you. I heard you.
Go ahead and have a seat.
I heard you.
Ma'am, have a seat.
I heard you.
Okay. Well, go ahead and do it.
I am.
Okay. Mr. David, verbally tell us she's not allowed here again.
Not allowed here.
All right, that's all I need from you, Mr. David. All right, at this time you've been
Yeah,
CT.
I know.
If you come back again, you can get Okay.
I know.
Gordon, got
I know.
Ma'am, Gordon's got
I
your things to
know.
leave, okay? Okay. Ma'am, you got 5 seconds to depart the business, okay? If not, you're going to be arrested. Go ahead. Ma'am, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
You go too ass on fast.
Go ahead.
I am. On my time.
See, she playing too many games. It would irritate me. I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes I got a short fuse, man. And playing these games like this, it is 2:00 in the morning. Look at the time right here. It says 2:16. It is 2:16 in the morning. You know how the cops is, man. Right about now, okay, it's cool, whatever. Around 3 3:30. Okay, it's time to wind it down. Get a little sleep for the night. 2 o'clock, it's okay. That's when the bars is closing. From 2 to 3, it might get a little rowdy. But after that, it's time to wind it on down for the night. And you'll find the cops on the side of the road somewhere, sleeping, having a, how I go. I know you've driven on the highway and so you seen the cops pulled over. Right there in the cut, fast asleep, man. So she messing up the whole night. Because if you got to arrest somebody, that is a whole ordeal. You know what I mean? That's a whole nother ordeal, and it's going to take a little while. You just messed up the whole night, man. Supposed to be getting some Z's.
Nigga, not yours. Fine time, bitch.
Ma'am, go ahead.
I am.
Out of business.
Why are you following me?
Ma'am, go ahead out
Why
of
are you
business.
following me, though?
Okay, ma'am, go ahead.
Why are you following me?
Go ahead.
I am.
All right.
Okay. I'm not handicapped. I can walk.
Ma'am, go ahead.
I am.
Ma'am, go ahead
What
and
you
leave the
want me to
business.
do, run?
You better.
Man.
Oh, yeah. Act
Put your
right.
hand behind your back.
Whoo!
Yes, ma'am. Put your hand behind your back.
Really? Hands behind
Oh,
your back.
yeah.
I know that. I know how to put my hand behind my motherfucker back. Bro, you finna hurt my motherfucking arm.
Put your hand behind your back. I'm not going to ask you again.
Nigga, you lay on my face.
Put it behind your back. Put it behind your back.
I'm taking it out my jacket, nigga.
Put it behind your back.
For what?
Wow.
For what?
Disorderly conduct and obstruction.
Man.
And criminal trespass after notice.
Weird as fuck, bro. Y'all niggas so fucking weird, bro.
Put your
Y'all
hand
niggas
behind
is
your
so
back.
fucking weird, nigga.
Got him.
Ooh, what?
Yeah, she playing games.
I'm already going to jail anyway. You supposed to be locking me up. You supposed to be locking me up. You want my taser?
All right, ma'am. If you continue on.
Ouch!
I got it. Put the other hand in there.
Ouch! Bro, my fucking arm, nigga!
Ma'am, stay down.
I'm down, nigga. I can't go nowhere. I can't go no more down. I'm down. I'm going to hell. I'm already down.
Ma'am, stop resisting. You understand me?
I'm already
Stop
in
resisting.
here. No, man, kill me, bitch. I'm ready.
Go ahead and roll up.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Roll up.
Stop pulling me. I'm
You're
coming.
not pulling you. You got to roll up.
I'm coming. You finna
Alright.
take my fucking
You
arm
about to
on my
get
hand,
rolled
bro.
up.
Roll up.
3, okay?
You already pulling me, bro.
1.
Stop pulling me, nigga.
We're not pulling
You
you.
are. You pulling my arm.
Ma'am, we're holding.
Bro, look at my fucking
1,
wrist.
2.
You don't give a fuck.
Up. 1, 2, 3.
Stop pulling my fucking arm.
We're not.
You are pulling my damn arm, nigga.
1, 2, 3.
This is that simple. It's that damn simple.
Let's go.
Hold on, my fucking
Let's
arm.
go. Let's go. Ma'am, let's go. Calm down. Let me know when you're ready to walk.
I've been let me know now.
You ready to walk? All right, let's walk.
Go ahead.
Let's walk.
Let's walk.
You're not ready. Let's go.
I'm not ready.
Miss Mitchell, let's go.
Hold on.
Miss Mitchell.
See? And she's going to take that literally. That's why you don't say things like that. All right, let me know when you're ready to walk. Man, I'm not ready to walk. You see how she just said that? Now, well, you know what? You walking. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. You know, we not up for debate here. This is not a debate. I'm telling you. I'm not asking you. That's how that go. I ain't gonna lie, man. And then she's talking about, you guys are weird. You guys are weird. why would you come to the hotel and try to sleep in their lobby all night without having a room, and you think you're going to get away with that? You think that they just going to let you allow you to do that? It does not work like that.
Let's go.
Okay, wait. Baby, I know my one's in the room. Right, go ahead, what am I help? What this? What bitch? Hold on, bro. You finna break my fucking. Hold on, bitch. Hold on, nigga. Butt first. Put your leg up there. Ouch. Hold on. Hold on, one second. Put your feet in. Hold on, damn. I'm already right here. Put your feet in. You can see that you're put your feet in. But you don't have no reason to put me in anyway. Where your body cam at? Why your body cam at? It ain't on. It ain't even on. Come on, Miss Mitchell. Come over. You don't think I know law? Go ahead. You don't think I know the motherfucking law, nigga? You just broke my tooth. I just broke my tooth, nigga.
You gotta get in, Miss Mitchell.
You just broke my tooth, bro. You just hit me. You just broke my fucking tooth, nigga. Hold on!
She was booked on charges of obstruction, criminal trespass after warning, and disorderly conduct.